Hey everyone, it's Marla. I'm here with entry number 3 for my Instagram giveaway. This is from Rosalind, who is Rosie's Corner over on Instagram. I took it out of the package, but I didn't look inside. I wanted to wait to do it on camera. So let's get into this. This is super pretty. It's in my favorite colors, mints and pinks. And it has little trees, kind of look like palm trees. She stamped hello friend here. She might have this posted on her Instagram. I forget if I've seen it today. Definitely check her out. There's little brads over here holding the folder, and here's her information. Hold on here. Rosalind. All right, let's open it up. Let me get it. Wow. Okay. So again, I don't know if I mentioned to her, but these are my fave colors. This is so pretty. Okay, so this is probably the letter. Let's see. Looks like she made this envelope. I love this paper collection. Oh, there's little embellishments. I think there's another one. How pretty. So she made me these beautiful rosettes. Let's get down a little. This one says thankful. So pretty. It's like triple layered. It has a little lace there. This one says dream. Look at this little bow. So cute. Thank you so much, Rosalind. These are beautiful. And I'm happy you were able to enter. I love this. So cute. Over here, excuse me. Oh, these are adorable. This looks like it might be a cup file. Super cute. It's like triple layer coffee cups. You'll have to let me know if this is a die, because this is so cute. And you could probably do it in Christmas design, Christmas colors. These are adorable. I love these. Thank you so much. What do we got? Look at this over here. Let me show you guys. It's like an envelope, and then it has like one pocket here, and one here, so you could kind of layer it, you know, like a tiered envelope. And then, oh, more goodies and another handmade envelope. So pretty. Yeah, definitely let me know. This is probably one of those cup files you guys all been using. Some more crickets and cup things, SVGs. These are so pretty. So here's a little teapot or water pitcher, and it has like the extra top layer. I don't know what you call that. Flourish design. Oh, the little spoons. This is adorable. And they're it feels like she layered them on chipboard on a cardstock. These are so pretty. I've never seen anything like these. I will definitely be using these in my projects. Oh, we forgot a little spoon. Let's get this in there. Okay. Over here we have the pocket letter. So pretty. All right. So over here it says hello friend with this sequence, the old school phone, rotary phone that I actually had growing up. A lot of us did. And she put a little bling in the center, and then over here there's a cute butterfly paper clip and a ballerina. Again, another cup file. It says happy, delightful. It's popped up over here with some flowers. And then going with the theme, this says tea time with a little butterfly. This is, wow, look at the sequence mix. There's like hearts in there. A little snowman. think there's a butterfly. Oh, little flowers. That's a neat idea to put flowers in there. I think the snowman might have fell in there, but I like him in there. He's cute. And then this over here, it looks like she stamped on the paper, which is really neat to stamp on the printed paper. Let all that you do be done in love with the little plant. Glitter and gold, so fun over here. And then a cactus, and it looks like some cutouts. Let's see what's in. Oh, this is a neat idea. So she has her About Me here, which I'll read after. And then over here is more beautiful die cuts, which is the ballerina. I'm loving this 3-tiered thing. Oh, cool. This is a bow tie I don't have any like layer it. Thank you so much for that. Love it. And then, see how pretty that is? This is some coffee cups that are all made and ready to go. Super cute. And they match the paper collection. And then here's the goodies in the back of the, I almost said memory ducks, in back of the pocket letter. This is so cute. I love pocket letters because I don't like making them, but I like receiving them because they have all the little goodies in there. And I love like little things. Are these little Post-its? Oh my gosh. Our page flags, so cute. To do when I feel like, yep, totally me. Some sticky notes. Awesome. I don't know if I'm gonna get these in. We'll leave that out. This is some more bow cuts. I'm obsessed with those. Oh, look at these. Super pretty. And you just layer them up. Or you can mix and match. These are beautiful. Oh, look at the flamingos. Such pretty paper you used for all these. I'm gonna leave them out because that's gonna take me a lot of time. And then here, look at these. These are some beautiful gems, flapbacks. And they match the pocket letter. There's some greens and turquoise and pinks. So pretty. I'm gonna put these, where am I gonna put these? Over here for now. Got that out of there. This looks like some coffees, teacups. Oh, it's like a little cup in a saucer. And then I can finish decorating it or leave it like that. Wow, you line these up perfect. Really nice. So cute. And then the sequins. And then in here looks like some birdies. Thank you so much. You really put a lot of work into this. And I really appreciate it. So beautiful. Here's some cute birdies. I don't know the lighting. Okay. Super cute. And then this is like a little folder. I should have showed you guys the front of everything. This looks like it has more die cuts. Geez, I'm gonna be set. We got butterflies in here. Definitely let me know the paper collection because now I have all these die cuts. I'm gonna have to do some projects. It's in there. Look how cute. Oh wow, look at this. Glittered bow cuts. Oh, it's like kind of like fabric. It kind of feels like a, not vinyl, it's like really soft. And then some butterflies. Awesome. two more, guys. Sorry, it's kind of being a long video, but there's a lot of cute stuff here. I want to make sure I share it. Here's some more butterflies. Wow, you shared so many goodies with me. And then we have, this looks like words maybe. This is beautiful. Let's see what they say. If I could get this open. So teeny tiny. Come on. So these all say love. So pretty. I don't really have any word dies. I have like a Tim Holtz one, but it's so thin when you cut them out. So then we have, oh, I already showed those. And then I have her letter. And that's everything. Thank you so much, Rosalind. I hope I'm saying your name right. It's Rosie's Corner on Instagram. I really appreciate everything. It's so, so beautiful. And good luck in my giveaway, which goes till August 31st. Thanks, guys. Bye.